Hello, this is Danny Lee, CEO of JY Industry CO, specializing in fogging machines. Today, I'd like to talk about a mini fogger. The mixing ratio is 20 diesel 1 insecticide. First, put half a paper cup of insecticide. Then, mix it with the diesel fuel. In a 2-liter PET bottle, add about 1.6 liters of diesel and half a paper cup of insecticide. Make sure the machine is working properly before you start. Pump a few times to check if the solution sprays out correctly. Turn the gas valve halfway open. If you hear a hissing sound, press the ignition switch. After about 6 seconds, fog will start to come out. Once the fog appears, you can start spraying. When the operation is finished, close the gas valve. Remove the butane gas. Be sure to release all the fog after use. If fog is left inside, it can harden and block the coil. Pump about 10 times. Keep pumping until no fog comes out. When the fog is gone, take out the fuel tank. Put the pipe in the water container and pump again. Pump about 10 more times. Keep pumping until only water comes out. Clean the coil after use to keep it in good condition for a long time. Thank you.